Today I am going to show you how to make patchwork. For that, first we need to take the required shape of the patterns we are going to use. First, to make the template ready. Take any cardboard or any thick paper, thick card, and take the shape of whatever pattern you are going to use. I have taken a triangle shape. You can take square shapes or any curved shapes. First, make the template ready and leave a 1/4 inch seam allowance on all the sides for you to join each template. You can even use a quilting ruler to draw the squares or triangles or whatever shape you want. Now I will show you how to cut the material. Put the template on the fabric. Now take the required number of pieces and we are just going to join each piece. So you keep the right side and right side. The right side and right side should face inside. The right side should be inside. Hold the pieces together where the pieces need to be joined. There we are just going to make back stitch. We are just going to use back stitch. For the stitch to be thick. You can even join these patches in a sewing machine. Patchwork is done with the waste bits of cloth. People who do the sewing, the dress material, the leftover bits and pieces of cloth are used to do patchwork without wasting the leftover bits. Even a small piece of bit can be used in a corner in the shape of a triangle or curved shape. After joining, we can do the finger pressing or iron the piece, then join the next two pieces. The color choice, it can be of the same shade or it can be contrast shades of your choice. See, likewise we can join the pieces. Whatever shade you want, you can join the pieces. And then make patches and join all the patches, all the pieces of bits and pieces of cloth together. Then make a full piece to whatever size you want, whether you want a cushion cover or whether you want a bedspread or bag, whatever. The same triangle pieces, different shades, and you can make triangle pieces and make a square and then another square piece. I have alternated with the triangle pieces and square piece. Finally finish it with an edging. Now I will show you how to join two pieces of patchwork in the curved shape. See, supposing we are going to take a square shape and take a curved portion and join this piece and this piece together. Same way we are going to give 1/4 inch seam allowance on all sides. So the finished piece will be only this size, the inner size. First the template is ready. Cut the pieces of cloth, whatever size, to this shape. For the other size, we have two pieces of template. You take two different colors. Two contrast colors or one printed and one plain. Plain can be of the same shade or of the contrast color. Now I will show you how to join the two shades, the two curved shape. So keep the right side and right side facing inside. See, we have to join it here, but just fold it and take it to the opposite side. Mark the center. The center should align and the edge should align. This edge and this edge should align. You can even start stitching from the center to the sides. Now I will show you how to do the sides. I will show you how to join the curved piece. If you have the expertise, you can start from the corner to the other corner, but for a beginner's level, you can just start from the center. Same back stitch. Hold it like this. The curve should align. You might feel this curve is this length is slightly longer than this, so the curve you have to bend the curve this way while stitching. Bend it this way. Now this half has been done, and the other half. See, take the material piece like this, the edge, hold it like this, bend it. See, give a curve, so it will exactly come and align this side. First you can make even one row of running stitch, and then to make it thick you can do a row of. Now the other half, again from the center towards the edges, same way make back stitches. Now when you turn it to the right side, you can see the finished piece. The curve has joined, you have joined the curves of each patch. This is how we get a square and a curve in the center. You can just iron it on top of this to give a neat finish. Then assemble it according to your choice. You can make patterns with the curve patterns, with the curve patches. Now you can see the curved patch. The contrast color becomes a square, and the next square is just, we have placed the next square patch, the patches in the opposite direction. This is also in the opposite direction. This is the curved patch is in the checked material. Here it is plain, printed and plain contrast. You can bring a whatever pattern of your choice. The same curved patches have been joined in a different way to get a X-shaped pattern. Here I have joined just straight pieces and made it into a patch and joined the patches together, whatever shape. This is vertically, this is horizontally, again vertically, horizontally, to create a zigzag pattern. So you can improvise on whatever shape you want to with the bits and pieces of material, the cloth, leftover cloth, and make patchwork pieces. You can make it into a bag or cushion cover or bedspread.